Lesson 5. Food. Ordering food is a perfect opportunity to practice your Irish. So listen and repeat. I am hungry. Tá ocras orm. We are hungry. Tá ocras orin. The children are hungry. Tá ocras na páistí. Breakfast is at 8. Beidh an breicfásta a 8. Let's meet for lunch. Buailfimís le chéile don lón. We eat dinner in the evening. Ihimid an dinéir tráthnóna. I am hungry. Let's meet for lunch. Tá ocras orm, buailfimís le chéile don lón. Now listen to these phrases and repeat. We eat dinner in the evening when the children are hungry. Ihimid an dinéir tráthnóna nuair atá ocras na páistí. Let's meet for breakfast. Buailfimís le chéile den mbricfásta. Now try saying, I am hungry, let's meet for dinner. Tá ocras orm. Buailfimís le chéile don dinéir. Now we'll consider some things to eat and drink. Listen and repeat. He had toast every morning. Bhí toasta aige gach maidin. I prefer coffee to tea. Is fearlam cafe, ná té. She eats cereal, cornflakes, for supper. Éhann she gránmhar, callóga arúr, don sipéir. We have a snack at 11 in the morning. Bíonn smaile beag le nithe gach maidin a 11. I like a sandwich for lunch. Is maithliam capire don lón. Would you like a ham sandwich or a toasted cheese sandwich? Bhaile capire líomhas nó capire cáise toastáilte. My favourite lunch is vegetarian panini. Mo rawa loin ná panini gan fowl. Can I have a bottle of sparkling water, please? Bhailm budé lisce cuipthe le de thoil. I eat 5 portions of fruit and vegetables every day. Ihim cúig chuid de thorthaí agus de ghlasarí gach lá. Listen to these phrases and repeat. I would like a toasted ham sandwich for lunch. Bhailm capire líomhais toastáilte don lón. I have coffee and toast for breakfast. Bíonn cafe agus toasta agam don bhricfásta. Now try saying, I have coffee at 11 in the morning. Bíonn cafe agam ag 11 maidin. Now try saying, I would like a cheese sandwich for lunch. Bhailm capire cáise den lón. Okay, some more phrases around food. Would you like soup? Bhaile anra. I never eat a starter. Ní ihim réamh bhia a riamh. We love junk food. Is bra linn bia canta. We eat fish on Fridays. Ihimid iasc an ine. I'm a meat and two veg person. Far fiol agus glossary mise. I'm a vegetarian. Fiol shéantóir mise. My son is allergic to peanuts. Ní féidir le mo wach písh halún a ihe. Now listen to these phrases and repeat. I never eat meat. Ní ihim fiol a riamh. I would like soup as a starter. Bhfuilm anra mar réamh chóirsa. Now try saying we love fish. Is bra linn iasc. Now some phrases around entertaining. Listen and repeat. Would you like to come to dinner? Bhaile teacht chun dinéir. We are having a dinner party on Saturday. Big kosher dinéir again an Saturn. I'm inviting 6 guests. Tá cuire tucha agum da heisir. We need caterers to help. Tá lónadóirí ag tastáil chun cúnamh a thabhairt. The guests arrive at 8. Tucaigh na híana ar a hocht. And combining some of these phrases, we need caterers to help with our dinner party. Tá lónadóirí ag tastáil chun cúnamh a thabhairt leis an kosher dinéir. I'm inviting 6 guests to dinner on Saturday. Tá cuire tucha gum de heisir teacht chuig dinéir an Saturn. Now try saying we are having a dinner party. Tá míad chun kosher dinéir a bheith againn. Now can you say, would you like to come to dinner on Saturday? Bhaile teacht chun dinéir de Saturn.